what's going on, guys? I am Augustine Versace, this is Onell Media, and you are awesome. Now, I do understand that getting started off in photography can be hard. That is why I decided to start 2 Minute Tuesdays. So every Tuesday, come right back here so I could drop some gems on you guys on how to set up for photography. Now today, I'm going to be talking about my favorite portrait photography setup, which is the 3-light setup. When you have a 3-light setup, what I tend to do in my portrait photography is make sure that I have one light off to the left, facing the backdrop. I also have another light off to the right, facing the backdrop. Now, my third light, which would be the key light, is going to be at either side of the model. That way, when I do have the light at either side of the model, I can mold and shape and scope the look that I want. I also want to have that light pointed in a 45-degree angle. Now with my 3-light setup that I typically use for my studio photography, I have a very strong light as my main light, and I keep the 2 lights on the side dim. The reason for this is I don't want to have the light shine on the model too much, but I do want the light to illuminate the backdrop. Depending on how much light you have on the backdrop, you can actually, in post, adjust the colors so that the backdrop can be lighter, darker. Even if you have one type of backdrop, you can end up with 2 different looks. Also, when I'm shooting portrait photography with my 3-light setup, I choose to keep the light on whichever side of the model they say is their good side. Now, if you have an eye for it, you could choose which side. Here are some examples of a photo shoot that I just had with an artist, Candace Nicole. There you have it, guys. I appreciate your time. It is not taken for granted. Remember, come back here, see me every Tuesday for a quick tutorial. Like, subscribe, ring that bell notification so you can be back every time I drop a video or tutorial. And with that, yeah, peace. I love you guys.